My name is Kate Kim. I'm a cake designer and a professional baking instructor. Day to day, I bake beautiful cakes full of flowers for private clients and to local cafes. Seeking delicious flavor, delicate designs, and vibrant colors. Using buttercream, I can make perfect texture for piping floral decorations with roses, apple blossoms, and berries. I want to go a step beyond decorations, and I make sure my cakes can be as visually pleasing as they are in terms of flavor. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to create beautiful flower arrangement with buttercream using techniques to pipe flowers. For the final project, we will make a flower cake that is as sweet aesthetically as it is when you first bite. First, we will look at the materials and tools necessary for flower piping. Then, you will discover how to make perfectly textured Italian buttercream, which will be the foundation for your cake decorations. Next, you will learn how to mix the food coloring to create perfect pigment and properly handle the tools to apply the common piping method. At this point, I will explain how to pipe different flowers, berries, and leaves, and how to ice the cake with the buttercream. Finally, we will see how to create a harmonious cake arrangement and alternative applications to have fun with our flower cakes. To join me, you will need stand mixer, thermometer, scale, bowls, spatulas, fridge, a microwave, and basic piping tools. Join me in this sweet and colorful journey and bring happiness to your eyes and mouth.